and welcome to Melissa Crafts. Today I'll show you how to make your own snow globe. First, you'll need a big or small container that's see-through and can be sealed. Mini trees or little things you want to put inside, glitter, and water. Now let's get started. Yeah! First you could put hot glue on the bottom of your tree. You can place it anywhere you want. I'm using 3 trees, but you can use 3 or more. You can use any color of glitter you want. I'm going to use a light blue. I'm going to add a little bit of red or kind of purplish to add more color. You can add as much color as you want. I'm just going to do 2 colors so it's easier to do. Pink and blue. I think you should add so much glitter because I think glitter is really pretty. And like the main character. This is good enough. So let me show you what it looks like without any water. Not really moving. So now we're going to add water. Put the top back on. And this is what it looks like when it's done. It looks like a forest of colorful snow. Doesn't it look like a rainbow forest? It looks so cool with colorful snow. I can't stop shaking this. It looks so cool. I mean, it looks like a magical forest of glitter. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new. Thanks for watching. Bye!